YouTube channel, and today we're going to build this beautiful drawer. So inside drawer we can, here as you can see, to the next page and second page. So let's start coding. YouTube channel, and this time I'm going to talk about the drawer in the app in Flutter. So let we get started by running Flutter create my first drawer. I'll be back after this whole thing finished. We're gonna delete all the project and we will start here, the white main run app, and this is the function that call when it all start the app. So in here I'm gonna create a stateless widget. In stateless widget you just type stl and it will get autocorrect. You just enter here and then name my app. Okay, and inside this I want to return the material.app since we're going to use the material.app. Okay, material.app, and here I'm going to declare a title is okay, I'm going to use the good practice of coding. I'm going to declare it up here, title final app, title equal my first drawer, semicolon here, and I'll pass this value to this title, and then home my, and then in this home I'm going to create another stateless widget in home page, and then I'll pass the title app title. In here you can see the error because we are going to create another stateless widget in here. Stateless widget, my home page. Let's just copy here, put here. And in here I'm going to create string that pass this title to here. So I'll create string title and semicolon, and in here I need to create my constructor to pass the title inside. This dot title, and then declare as super. And here I'm going to call scaffold, and in here in scaffold we have app bar. So my app bar is app bar, and then the title here is type as text, and we pass the title that we declare from above to here. See, no redundancy, we just pass the value from the top to the bottom. This is the good practice of code. And then I'm going to create body. I'm going to use center. I'm going to center the text, and inside there's a child. The text type text is my body content. Okay, and in app we mostly have the slider the slider inside the app. So I'm going to create a slider here. It's like a navigation bar inside the app. The name is drawer, so just type drawer and drawer. And inside drawer, I'm going to, the child will be the list view. And inside here, I'm going to create children, because this is a multi-child layout. And inside here, I'm going to wrap it up with the container. And inside container, there's a child. Type drawer header. And then in the drawer header, I want to put some decoration inside. So I'm going to call decoration. Wait, something's wrong. Okay, decoration, and then dot. And then I'm going to call box decoration. And for now, I'm going to use color dot yellow, because yellow is my favorite color. So let me connect with my device, and you can open up the terminal. Let me refresh my terminal. Okay, and since the app is still loading, I will type Flutter run here, and I'll come back when the app is done. Interface, since I'm connected to my iPhone Pro stimulated, as you can see here, this is our app, and this is our drawer. You see here we declare it as yellow. How about when you want to list down the item here, like for example link to page 1 or page 2, or about us, or contact us, or any page that you want to list down. Okay, let's do that. So in here, I'm going to take off this color, and I'm going to use image because it make it look more attractive. Okay, so image here, I'm going to decoration an image, and then in image we have two ways to use image. You can use image network or image access, but in the image network is based on your internet speed, and sometimes it might get slow. So in this case, I'm going to use image access image. Okay, access image here, and in here I'm going to call image and slash. Okay, in here, take note, since we use access.image, we need to access popspec.yaml file. Okay, in popspec.yaml, if you scroll down here, you see the assets and then image. You need to uncomment this out and remove this. And the next step is you need to create another file folder, name images, and then import your file inside here. Okay, let me import my file inside here. Put back. Okay, I can copy my image, go back in here. Okay, here just call chilling .png. So basically here you pass the path of the image folder inside here. You will see the image inside there. As you can see, there's an image here. But as you take closer look, you see the border here. That means the image is not take all of this space. So in order to take all of that space, we need to use fit and then box fit dot cover to tell that take all the existing width inside. Okay, let me refresh again. As you can see, the image take the whole width inside here. Okay, so let's work on the text under here. So after container, we are going to use list till for listing down the text inside. So in here I'm going to declare the title text as tab text, and the name is first page, and I'm going to declare another one. I'm just duplicating it by using Command D. Okay, as you can see. And this is the second page. Name this to second page. And refresh again by type R in the terminal. As you can see, first page, second page. What if we want to click on it, and when we click here, it redirect to another page? Okay, let's do that. So in here we need to, in order to do that, we need to create a on tab event to able to do that. So in on tab event, I'm going to use navigator. So as the name called navigator, it's clear it's navigating to something. So in here I use push name. In push name, as you can see, it takes two arguments. One is context. The context is, you can see here, the navigator dot push return two argument. One is contact, and another one is the route name, which we're going to declare soon. To tell, let me just quit on the app for a while. So as I call my first route is first page, first page, and then the context. Going to create another stateless widget that contain the first contain that I'm calling first page. Same go to okay, so as you can see we have error here. In order to get rid of, I'm going to create another stateless widget. Call first page and same you can see there is no error in our app, in our code. So tap event on second page also. Second, when the app is done, page, I'm going to add the content of it. It's going to have the scaffold. I just copy from the top and change this to text, and the same go here. Gonna return scaffold and then change this to second screen and change this to second page, and let me refresh our app again. Oh, I caught some errors here. Okay, so let me rerun the app. Oh, I forgot this slash, so without those slash the app is not gonna run. So let's test the app. Here we're going to open our drawer and then click on first page. See, it redirects to the first page, and here's the back button, and test the second page. Yes, as you can see, is the second page. Okay, now you get the beautiful drawer with the beautiful header. Okay, that's all for today. Stay safe and peace.